y'all, today is May 10th, 2025, and right now I'm getting ready for my birthday beach gathering party type of thing. And you know me, we all on island time anyway. So I am just starting late as ever. I still have to go pick up my cake. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get myself ready, and then I'm gonna pick up my cake, and then I'm gonna head to the beach. I'll pick up a generator as well. And I'm just curling my hair. I'm not the best with using this specific curler. I haven't mastered using this yet. See, look at that, look at that. I done messing up something on this. What am I messing up already? I have no idea what I'm messing up already. I can't even see. See, look at that. That's a horrible curl. I hope it drops because this hair actually holds curls really good. And this hair is from Arabella hair. So when the hair holding curls really good and I curling bad on my birthday. One day I'll get better at curling it. At least it don't have to be perfect, eh? Nobody won't notice if it's not perfect because it's gonna get dark. So yeah, after this I'm gonna just finish curling my hair up and then I'm gonna shower and do my makeup because I'm pretty sweaty right now. Pretty sweaty. Alright, so I just finished taking a shower. I'm putting on my perfume. I want to smell full of it. I want to smell just like this perfume say, the sleep warm while I'm by the sea. Smell delicious. Okay. Now it's time to do my makeup. I know my face looks oily as ever, but let's get into this makeup, eh? So I'm gonna start off with the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray because I have oily skin. Now because I want this makeup to last all night, I'm going in with this technique I found online for oily skin. It's when you use the one size setting spray. You spray it on a sponge and then you pat it on the face. Now that I tap that into my face, I'm now going to go in with my matte, setting my matte foundation. I got this setting powder from the drugstore. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder and the color 310 Sun Beige. And I'm gonna put that under my eye. I'll do a little bit on my eyebrow. I know I look ghostly right now, but this is like a trusted process type of thing. Just trust the process, eh? And yes, I am going in with powder before I go in with liquid foundation. Next, I will be trying out a new foundation. Yes, birthday girl new foundation. Okay, so I am trying out the MAC Studio Fix Broad Spectrum SPF 15. It's a 24-hour matte foundation plus, and it also has oil control. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, or should I do my eyebrows? I'll put it on the back of my hand. Okay, I did 2 pumps. I don't know. Oh, it's in the shade NC50. So I did 2 pumps. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go into, I'm going to use my new Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And I'm gonna spray my brush. Then I'm gonna go into the foundation. And I'm gonna go into my face. Oh, my nose is running. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this makeup as light as possible, just a little bit of eyeshadow and a glow. With a little bit of a glow. Do not tie your lace down immediately after you spray. Let it dry a bit first. And let it get tacky, because it will begin to stick to the band that you tie it down with. So for my birthday tonight, I haven't even told y'all about my birthday. For my birthday tonight, we're just doing a little hangout gathering, and it will also be a movie night. So all on the beach. It will all be on the beach. It's a very small, intimate type of thing. It's not that much people. Not much people are gonna be there. It's just really, really tiny, really tiny. There's gonna be food. There's gonna be drinks. There's gonna be good vibes. There's gonna be good people. Good vibes and good people. That's the most important thing to have at a party. In the movie that I'm thinking about looking at is Nosferatu, Blink Twice. Nosferatu and Blink Twice. Okay, next I'm going to tap under my eyes with some concealer, and I'm going to blend out the concealer with my Morphe Chubby blending brush. Y'all, I need to learn how to be on time more often, because okay, so I finished with that. Next I'm gonna do a little touch of this very bright. I should have used the Rare Beauty. Maybe it's too late. And I am going to blend it out with my fingers, because this is what I usually do with this blush, this particular blush. I'm going to set under the eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder again. Yeah, once I set my face though, makeup should melt and look all together again. You know what, let me spray from now. So I'm gonna go with my Charlotte Tilbury spray and melt all of the liquids. Okay, now I'm going under my eye with my Fenty Beauty loose setting powder in the shade Banana. I don't know, I think I'm gonna go with this. Is that like, it's like, no, that's a little reddish. I'm gonna go into this a bit. Do it on the outer side of the eye. I guess the makeup is looking good. Let me see. Ooh, okay. Okay, look. Yeah. I still get it ready. Okay, look. Ooh. Okay, look. Okay, look. Girl. Ooh. Child, I blow myself away. Who is this girl? Like, look at this look. Oh my gosh. Okay. So next lastly, I'm gonna go in with the, oh wait, let me go in with the setting spray one more time to melt the face. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the color Plum. Anyways, y'all, this is the finished look. Like the finished birthday girl look.
Who's you? Remember this face, cause I'm that bitch you gon' lose.